The project I've been doing with UMKC, University of Missouri, Kansas City, is called Origami Uncrewed Aerial System. And so essentially it is a unmanned aerial system that transforms its shape. The drone takes on sort of a pyramid-like form when it's in land position, either on land or on water. And then as it takes off, as it morphs, it lifts itself up from a tri-rotor configuration, and then wings essentially unfold from the pyramid and it becomes a fixed wing. And then two of the rotors rotate to then provide propulsion to move the platform forward. The capstone team did phenomenal work, really starting to explore a number of engineering elements to build Origami, a transformable drone, and then creating kind of first order prototype, quick build, and then ready for iteration. That iteration was then documented well and informed for the startup group over the summer. And then I had two X-Force fellows over the summer that actually coordinated to network to interns at Crane, and together they worked fantastically to get to a version 2 ready build. Ensign offered the opportunity to bridge into UMKC to acquire the particular skill sets and areas of interest to help mature the concept. So without Ensign, within the government lab, this UAS, Origami UAS concept, it would still be a concept on paper. Ensign, in partnership with UMKC, has helped provide initial concept maturation, naturally with road mapping on to further realize the Origami UAS concept.